Let's explore how leaders can navigate this economy with some real confidence.
So, let's start with a big question. Are today's headlines driving your decisions?
Because right now, the choices you make, well, the stakes are incredibly high.
You're up against one of the most complex business environments in decades.
Reacting from the gut, that's a recipe for failure. A strategic approach is crucial.
So, what's the tool that gives you that strategic edge? Right here.
Just look at this number. That's the predictive accuracy rating from ITR Economics.
That kind of accuracy lets your team stop guessing and start truly planning.
And what's really cool is this data goes way beyond just broad national trends. This helps you separate all that headline noise from your actual market reality. It gives you this incredible industry-specific detail to really guide your decisions.
The annual value of this kind of forecasting, over 50 grand, and it's included.
But let's talk about a benefit that's often overlooked, your team's mindset.
See, when your team has the right context, that vague fear, it turns into understanding.
And all that stress that comes from ambiguity, it gets replaced with focused strategy.
You're basically swapping out damaging anxiety for confident preparation. Huge difference.
Suddenly, your team starts seeing predictable cycles instead of just reacting to chaos. And that clarity, it's what aligns your short-term moves with your long-term vision.
The forecasts give you a rhythm for making the right moves at exactly the right time. So as a leader, your job is to share this intelligence. That's what transforms everything.
It's all about being anchored in solid data, not just reacting to headlines.
Which leaves us with this final, powerful thought. Today, providing clarity is leadership.